Hello, welcome back to Mrs. Hewitt's Spelling at Home. We've got a new week of words and today we are going to be looking at a blend of a vowel digraph and a consonant that normally comes at the end of a word, and the reason I'm doing this is because sometimes when we have these blended together it changes the sound of the vowels. So I just want you to kind of get used to this because it's a sound that you can spell wrong when you're writing this. So I'm going to start with this vowel digraph. And I want you to say that one at home for me now. That's right. And so normally this would be oo. Okay, this is our oo digraph. And then we've got this consonant sound. K, k, k. Now, when we put these together, you do get ook. Now, however, we don't say it like that. So when you have the oo and the k and the k, which makes ook, we actually say it as ook, ook. So this becomes more of an sound, okay? And you'll see what I mean when I show you some words which have the sounds at the end, okay? So we're just going to remember this and we're going to read it as ook, okay? So I want you all to say at home now, ook, ook. Okay, well done. And because here is a word that you get those sounds at the end, and I want you to try and sound this one out now. So we've got this one and it is cook. Now, if you were reading that with your phonics, you would sound it out as kook, kook, okay? But we don't say that, we say cook. So here we have cook. And what I want you to do is use your rhyming to try and think of words that rhyme with cook and write them ending with the O-O-K. And you can use your rhyming to help you. If you know that cook is spelt like that, you should be able to think of some other words and be able to write them correctly. So you need to use your rhyming. So what words rhyme with cook? Okay, see how many you can write. Off you go. Right, let's have a look at how you did, because I've thought of some earlier and there are a couple that I think you will get straight away. Hopefully you would have all have thought of this one. Try and read that one at home. That's right, that is book. Okay, book. And we also have this one, look. So again, remembering that if you're, because with your reading, you'll be able to read that as look, but when you're doing your spelling and you're trying to think of the word in your head and think of the sound, you might go l, oo, l, ook, and you might put the as a U letter, okay, as the letter U. But you have to remember that the ook with a K got the double O. So we've got book, look, cook, we've got took, and we've got hook, and I also thought of this one, shook, okay, like he shook the can, okay, shook something, the past tense of shake. So they're the words that I thought of. Hopefully you thought of them and you were using your rhyming, so all of our words end there with the same letters, okay? I've thought of a sentence now. If you want to, you can try and do your sentence before you see mine, or you can read mine first, and then you can either copy my same sentence, so you can pause the video and just write the same sentence out, because that's practicing your writing, or you can try and write your own sentence using the words that we've done today. So try and read this sentence. I took the book to, that's one of our tricky words, school. I took the book to school. And so I've got took and book. So now it is your turn to go and write a sentence yourself, and please be remembering this ook spelling when you're doing your writing in future, because hopefully that will stop you making some of those silly spelling mistakes that sometimes we can make when we're using our phonics. Because remember, phonics doesn't work all the time, okay? It is really good, it doesn't work all the time because not all the words abide by our phonics rules. Okay, thank you for tuning in, and I will see you tomorrow with some more spelling. Okay, bye.